Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to give you a full review on ClickUp. Simply click the link in the description box to access the platforms. So let's jump right in. In 2024, ClickUp continues to be a prominent choice for project management, offering a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. ClickUp stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options, allowing users to adapt the platform through time tracking, sprints, and custom fields. You can easily integrate the tools you already use or replace them, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. ClickUp integrates features like comments, mentions, and real-time editing. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, plan members, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last and fourth, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. In conclusion, ClickUp has its extensive feature set, customizable options, and seamless collaboration tools. It caters to diverse organizational needs. It stands as a robust and versatile project management solution in 2024. Click the link in the description box to try ClickUp for free. Thank you for watching.